So coming to phylum Porifera. That is the first phylum that we have to do. The members of this particular phylum are commonly known as sponges. They are marine and usually asymmetrical. So I'm going to list down their features here. Marine, asymmetrical, and they are primitive multicellular organisms, and they have a cellular level of organization. They have a water system or a water transport or a canal system. Water enters through ostia, which are minute pores, and they go into a central cavity called spongiocele. And from this it goes out through the osculum. So it comes through ostia, enters the spongiocele and goes out through the osculum. And this is helpful in gathering food, in respiratory functions, and also to remove waste. Then there are some collar cells that are also known as choanocytes. What these collar cells do is they line the spongiocele and the canals. Digestion in this case is intracellular, that means within each cell. And the body is supported by a skeleton made up of spicules or spongin fibers. Okay, so skeleton made up of spicule or spongin fibers. Sexes are not separate, so it's a hermaphrodite. That means the eggs and the sperms are produced by the same individual. The reproduction is sexual, asexual reproduction, that is through fragmentation. And if it is sexual reproduction, that is through the reproduction by gametes. Fertilization in case of poriferans is going to be internal. And development is indirect. It has a larval stage, which is very different from the adult in terms of morphology, shape, structure, and form. Common examples of phylum Porifera include cycon, spongilla, which is a freshwater sponge, and euspongia, which is the bath sponge that is used commonly. So these are the examples, and just quickly let's revise through phylum Porifera. They are marine, asymmetrical, have a canal system. Ostia is through which the water enters into the spongiocele and goes out through the osculum. Collar cells are there called choanocytes, and digestion is intracellular. The skeleton is made up of spicules or spongin fibers. They are hermaphrodites, that means the sexes are not separate. Asexual reproduction is through fragmentation, and sexual reproduction is through gametes. Fertilization is internal, and there is a larval stage which is different from the adult stage. And examples are cycon, spongilla, and euspongia. So that is all for phylum Porifera, and the next phylum that we are going to do is phylum Coelenterata or Cnidaria, that we will do in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and keep revising how the animal kingdom is classified and what were the 6 main factors. So thank you so much for watching this one.